Back in 2001, I was widowed, and I bought a little house here on the east side of Madison. So now I'm responsible for taking care of this home myself. I asked my neighbor, who should I call for my furnace? And he said, call Cardinal Heating. So I did. And it was wonderful to have a service company that I really felt I could count on. Your service rep, I had the same service rep for almost 11 years. And he was just remarkable. If somebody ever asks, who would you recommend for heating and now plumbing, I always recommend you guys.
I explained what I wanted to get done, and the guy came in, and in less than an hour, he actually had the thing straightened out. He had to do some major cutting and replacing of drain lines, and so I was really impressed. You know, I would occasionally watch what they were doing and try to understand, so that, you know, I'm kind of a fix-it guy that, you know, if instead of, there are some simple things you can do. We don't have to call out the service people if necessary, but just so long as I understand what they were doing.
I would also say they're very good at communicating without you asking. So after they've done an inspection, they always go over what they did and let you know that, you know, we did this, we did that, all is good, or you should watch this, or we should replace this piece, whatever. So I don't always have to ask, which is also nice.